Walker ng Pilipinas, di ba? So, let us invite our Linda Walker of the Philippines, the one and only Fujiko! Fujiko, hello! Wow, ang Linda Walker ng Pilipinas. Come here. Please come here beside Zhang Yingfei. Okay, so how do you feel meeting your idol? Oh wait, alam niyo ba na panoorin na rin ni Linda Walker yung video mo? Sobrang na-surprise siya. 是不是你也看到了她的那个变装视频？
对，我在中国的抖音上面，就是也是社交媒体上面有看到过你的视频，还有你跟你的朋友，就是和演那个我跟我的妹妹在剧中的。
Yes, so doon sa China daw, nakita niyo yung video mo. At yung isang video na kasama mo po yung kapatid niyo po. So yun lahat pinoorin niya. So yun, our Linda Walker of the Philippines, si Fujiko.
Hi mga chacha ko!
Yun, I believe that you also have a dance that you want to show us, 对吧？ OK， 那今天呢，我们的朋友 Fujiko 他想要教我们一个小小的舞蹈，所以现在在台上的各位朋友要一起跳。好的，让我们来一起学一下。OK, so ladies and gentlemen, Miss Fujiko is going to teach us a dance. Pero okay lang po ba na lahat po tayo mag-dance din po tayo? Okay, so yung mga nakaupo dyan, please stand up at gayahin po natin si Fujiko at ang ating very gorgeous Miss Zhang Yingfei. Okay.
Hawak mo ang beat.
就是你拿着歌曲。
Yes. All you need to do is raise your hand.
Okay, everybody raise your hand.
And then shake your hips.
Shake your hips.
Just 2 times. And then other one. And 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you'll point there. And then
Everybody point. Everybody
here.
point.
Yes. And then point here.
Point there.
And then point down. And 4 times. Yeah.
4次，对。Okay.
So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point down, point down, point down, point
Okay,
down.
so, alright, kaya nyo na? Kaya ba? Okay, maybe request Miss Fujiko and then the Walker to please stay forward.
Okay, mga chacha
Yes.
ko, let's go!
Okay, or maybe Miss Fujiko, can you please stay in front? Okay, to guide us. Okay.
Together. Okay.
Okay, everybody, let's dance. Okay, Evan, everybody. Okay. Okay, can you play may music po ba tayo dito? Or, okay, lagyan po ng music in 3, 2, 1.